Parabola, Part 9.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the next problem. If Lx plus My plus n is equals to 0 is a normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax, then show that al cube plus 2alm square plus m square equals to 0. So, see the solution. So, given parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is equation 1. And a normal also given. What is that? Lx plus my plus n equals to 0. See here. And normal to equation 1 is Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. This is equation 2. You know that the equation of the normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax is y plus xt is equals to 2at plus atq. See here, but you know the equation of normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is, so clearly the equation of normal is what? Y plus xt is equals to 2at plus atq. So send this one left side, that becomes xt plus y minus of 2at plus atq is equals to 0. This is equation 3. So clearly both 2 and 3 represents same lines. So because of equation 2 is the normal of parabola that is given. So this is the equation of the normal parametric point. So both the equation represent same lines. Therefore equation 2 and 3 represents same lines. Now what is the x coefficient in that? L divided by, here x coefficient t, so L by t. So next y coefficient m, this is equals to m divided by, here y coefficient is 1, so write 1, this is equals to, and constant n, so divided by, here constant minus 2at plus atq, so minus of 2at plus atq. Okay, now see here equating these two, so t equals to L by m, this is the value of t. Now equating these two, this is n by m is equals to minus 2at plus atq. Now substitute t value in this, so what you get? N by m is equals to minus of 2a into L by m plus a into t cube, that is L cube by m cube, L cube by m cube. Okay. Now this is n by m plus 2al by m plus al cube by m cube is equals to 0. So what is the LCM? M cube is the LCM. Now see the numerator, nm square plus 2al m square plus al cube, this is equals to 0. So therefore the required condition is what? Al cube plus 2al m square plus nm square equals to 0. So this is the required condition. Now we will discuss few 2 marks problems. So see the first one. Show that the line is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16 and find the point of contact also. So see a solution. Given parabola So what is the given parabola? Y square is equal to 16x. This is equation 1. Okay. Now, so 4a is equal to how much? 16. From this, a is equals to 4. The value of a is 4. And what is the given line? 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. And the line 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. So this is what? Y is equal to 2x plus 2. So clearly comparing the given equation with y is equal to mx plus c. So what is m value? M is equals to 2, c is equals to 2. So here if c is equals to a by m, then the given line is a tangent to the parabola. See here, what is c value? 2. And what is a by m value? A by m is 4 by 2 is 2. So therefore clearly c is equals to a by m. Then you can say that the line is a tangent to the parabola. So therefore equation 2 is tangent of y square is equal to 16x. So like this. So this is the parabola. So therefore clearly this is what? Tangent of the parabola y square equal to 16x. Upon this point. So this is a tangent. Now you need to find this point of contact. So here you know that point of contact is what? A by m square comma 2a by m. So this is the point of contact form. So therefore what is a value? A is equals to 4. So 4 by m square 2 square comma 2a, 2 into 4 by 2. So therefore point of contact is 1 comma 4. Okay. So this is the required answer. So see the second solution. Find the value of k. The line is a tangent to the parabola. So you know that if a line is a tangent to the parabola, then the condition is c equals to a by u. So from that condition, you can find the value of k. So see a solution. Given parabola y square is equal to 6x. So comparing with y square is equal to 4ax. Now what is 4a value? 6. So a is equals to 3 by 2. So this is the value of a. And what is the given line? See here, given line is 2y is equal to 5x plus k. So change into y is equal to mx plus c. So divide with 2. You will get y is equal to 5 by 2x plus k by 2. Now compare the given equation with y is equal to mx plus c. So what is the value of m? So m is equals to 5 by 2 and c is equals to k by 2. Now given this line is tangent to the parabola y square equal to 6x. See here, given 2 is tangent of 1. Therefore, what is the condition? C equals to a by m. What is c value? K by 2. And what is a value? 3 by 2. And what is m value? 5 by 2. So clearly the value of k is 6 by 5. Okay. So this is the required answer. So see the question number 3. Find the equation normal to the parabola y square equal to 4x, which is parallel to the line. Okay. So see here solution. Third solution. Given parabola. So what is the given parabola? Y square is equal to 4x. So comparing with y square is equal to 4ax. So what is the value of 4a? 4. From this, a is equals to 1. Okay. Now, see here, required normal parallel to the line. See here, required normal parallel to y minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, slope of normal is slope of this line. That is equals to m is equal to minus a by b. That is minus of a is what? Minus 2. And b is what? 1. So clearly m is equals to 2. So therefore the equation of normal having slope m. Okay. So what is the equation of the normal having a slope m? That is y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Now what is the value of m? 2. So y is equals to 2x minus 2a. 2 into 1, that is 2, again into 2, 4, minus a into m cube, 1 into m cube, that is 8. So this is 2x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the required normal. So see the question number 4. Find the equation of the tangent to the parabola inclined at an angle 60 degrees with its axis. And also find the point of contact. See here. So this is the given parabola. Y square equals 16x. And tangent of this parabola makes an angle 60 degrees with the axis of the parabola. Suppose this is the tangent. Okay. So this tangent makes an angle 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. Now we need to find the equation of the tangent and this point of contact. Okay. So see here, given parabola is y square equal to 16x. So 4a is equal to how much? 16. Comparing with y square equal to 4x. 4a is equal to 16. From this, a is equal to 4. Now, m is what? Slope of the tangent. Here, m is the slope of tangent. So you know that m is equal to how much? Tan theta. So m is equal to tan 60. From this, m is equal to tan 60 value, root 3. Okay. So therefore, the equation of tangent is y is equal to mx plus a by m. Okay. Now y is equal to m is what? Root 3x plus a is what? 4 by root 3. Now again this can be written as cross multiplication. Root 3y is equal to 3x plus 4. Now again this is what? 3x minus root 3y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. Now find their point of contact. So here you know that point of contact formula. Point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. So what is the value of a? 4. 4 by m square root 3 whole square, that is 4 by 3 into 2 into a, 4 by root 3. So point of contact is what? 4 by 3 comma 8 by root 3. So this is the required answer. For next session we will discuss new chapter